Hi everyone. Okay, so I wanted to share some hopefully helpful stuff with you. If it's not, don't just ignore this email. Um, okay, so I went ahead and I made a attendance form for every single period you could possibly have. So what you need to do if you want to use these forms that are pre-made for you, you need to click on the form, right click, click on make a copy. Okay, it's going to create a copy for you. Then you're going to right click again and click rename. Okay, if I was making a copy for myself, I'd want to put my last name on it, Duncan, period 1 attendance form. Click OK. Then right click again, click move to. You're going to want to go back to your drive. Okay, so my drive, you're going to click to create a folder, and you'll title that folder attendance forms. And you'll click check, and then you're going to click move here, move. Okay, so now that form that you just made a copy of is gone, and there's still that period 1 attendance form here. Okay, so I just wanted to share these forms with you. Hopefully they're helpful. If not, don't use them. But when you go in and you're looking at your attendance, you can click on responses, click the green create spreadsheet, and that's going to create a new spreadsheet for this class period. Okay, it's going to timestamp, so anytime a student gets on and fills out the form, it's going to timestamp. It's going to have their email address, their first and last name, the period they have you, and what they completed to contribute. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful. If not, I don't know. I just think this attendance stuff is a mess, so I'm trying to help you guys. So you can also organize it by date, and you just click on the little gray arrow under this row, and you'll click on sort sheet A through Z, and that will sort this sheet by date for you. So hopefully this was helpful, and if not, I'm sorry. But what my plan is to do is to create an attendance form just like I've done for you guys for every single class period, so that I can go in and put this on their Google Classroom, and that can be part of my expectations for my students. So all you have to do, again, is make a copy. Click make a copy. Once it pops up, you're going to rename it to have your last name on it. So right click, and then you're going to click on rename. Then you'll put your last name here. Okay. And then you'll right click again, click move to. You'll go back to your drive, move to, back. Okay, my drive. Then you'll want to create a folder that says like attendance forms. Attendance forms. Okay, check. And then you'll click move here, move. Okay, so it's super easy to do. I hope this video is helpful. If you have questions, let me know.